Hello guys, in this video we will see what is Rockstar Launcher error, how to indicate this, and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step on understanding Rockstar Launcher error. Content Rockstar Launcher error. This is a common issue that prevents players from launching the game or connecting to Rockstar Games services. This error code typically indicates a problem with the game's authentication process, corrupted game files, issues with the Rockstar Games Launcher itself, or conflicts with your network connection or security software. It signifies that the launcher is unable to properly verify your game ownership or establish a stable connection required to run data, often manifesting immediately after clicking play or attempting to sign in.
Step basic troubleshooting and file verification. Content begin by performing fundamental troubleshooting steps. First, restart your computer and your network router modem to clear any temporary glitches. Next, it is crucial to verify the integrity of your game files. Open the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to tab. In your library, click the gear icon, settings, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you use Steam or Epic Games Launcher, perform the equivalent file verification process through their respective platforms. This process checks for corrupted or missing game data and redownloads any necessary files, which is a frequent solution for authentication-related errors.
Step where address launcher and network conflicts. Content several factors can interfere with the Rockstar Games Launcher's operation. Ensure you are running the Rockstar Games Launcher as an administrator by right-clicking its shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. Temporarily disable your antivirus, software, and Windows, firewall, or add exceptions for the Rockstar Games Launcher and executable files, as these security programs can sometimes block the launcher's connection to Rockstar's servers. Additionally, clear the Rockstar Games Launcher cache by navigating to user's username documents Rockstar Games Social Club and deleting the wet cache folder, then restart the launcher.
Step reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher and update drivers. Content. If previous steps fail, corrupted Rockstar Games Launcher. Installation is a likely culprit. You install the Rockstar Games Launcher through your Windows settings. After installation, manually delete any remaining folders associated with Rockstar Games Launcher, typically found in Program Files, Rockstar Games, and Program Files, Rockstar Games. Then download and install the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher from the official Rockstar Games website concurrently. Ensure your graphics, drivers, and Windows operating system are fully updated as updated software and lead to compatibility issues preventing the game from launching correctly.
Step contact Rockstar support. Content if error persists after attempting all the aforementioned fixes, the issue may require specialized assistance. Contact Rockstar Games support through their official website, providing a detailed description of the problem, the specific error, code and a comprehensive list of all troubleshooting steps you have already undertaken, and include details about your system specifications, RAM version, any recent system changes, and screenshots of the error. If possible, Rockstar support can offer further diagnostic tools or specific solutions tailored to your system configuration.